So say you've been taking the bar exam a few times and your scores are jumping up and down from one exam to the other or staying in the same spot. You seem stuck, frustrated, hitting your head up against the wall. What can you do? You've done everything there is. You followed the commercial bar prep to the T, spent those 8 to 12-hour days, checked off all the boxes. Next time you sprung for a tutor, hoping that this would be it, and it wasn't. And now you're looking at your scores, not seeing any kind of pattern or reasoning behind why they are the way they are. Well, let me tell you directly, it's not academic. If you want to break this cycle, look at the mindset side of the bar exam so that you can pass this bar. Hi, I'm Jennifer Duclair, bar exam mindset mentor, helping you break through your mindset barrier so that you can beat the bar. In this video, I'm covering the hidden reasons behind repeated bar exam fails, especially if your score doesn't seem to be budging at all, or if it's jumping up and down and all over the place without rhyme or reason. Let's dive straight in with reason number one. Quite simply, don't hate me for it. I'm just the messenger. You aren't putting your all into it. Now, I know you're saying I'm doing everything I can and I spent all my dollars. I get it. However, if you haven't set your heart up to enjoy the process of it and not just be doing it for the end result, then you're not all in. Being all in means literally not caring if you pass or fail, studying just to study. Now, how many of you can claim that you are doing that? And if you know that that's a far way away from where you are today, there's mindset work to be done that will bridge that gap for you. Look below for a link to my manual to bust bar exam blocks. It's going to walk from I'm studying so I won't fail to I like studying. I like this thing. This is good for me. I look forward to it every day. I know it seems impossible right now, but I promise you that is exactly the end point that my clients get to right before they pass the bar exam. And you can do it too. The second reason why you may not be going all out is because you simply don't know what to do. So it's hard to pour yourself into something when you've got no direction. We need safety, security, and structure in order to go all out. So if you don't know exactly what you need to do on a daily basis for your bar, then go find out so that you can give yourself permission to dive in with the structure, safety, and stability of a set plan that tells you what to study, how to study it, how long to study it for, most importantly, that this plan fits you, which brings us to the last reason why you're not going all out and diving into bar prep is because the only methods that you've been given, commercial bar or even somebody else's bar plan given to you, don't fit you. Your brain is fighting against these methods of learning, saying, no, not another torture session. Or your life just doesn't make room to tick off all the boxes on that bar plan. You need something specifically tailored to you. Yes, the number one hurdle that we have to cross with all of our bar applicants that come to us for mindset mentoring through the bar exam. And so I packaged it up in one course that you can just get on demand and fix yourself a bar prep plan that fits you specifically. So you don't have all of this pumping your brakes and resistance from your brain because the bar prep plan you're trying to use just doesn't fit with you. Make a tailored one instead for a fraction of the cost of a high-priced tutor. That'll be the second link I'm providing for you below this video. If you want more, you know what to do. Subscribe and stick around for the next video. See you there.